like a landslide. That's the way my heart beats now. Up until the last sunrise, I'll be reaching for you. Wanting you is all I know, and loving you is out of my control. So I'm letting go and going down.
Alam nyo, talagang kayo ay huwaran sa maraming mga batang nagsisimula sa kanilang pagsasama. Sa hirap, sa ginhawa, sa karamdaman, sa kalusugan, sa lahat ng araw ng inyong buhay. Mananatiling matatag. Ano? Yan ang inyong ipinangako sa Diyos nung kayo'y ikasal.
'Cause nothing lasts forever anymore, but no one's felt the way I feel before. 'Cause you sweep the floor beneath me, and I'm falling, I'm infinitely falling for you. 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 I'm falling, I'm infinitely falling for you.
Remedios sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan. Sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya. Tinitipan kita maging aking ng bahay. Sa hirap at ginawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang aking iibigin at tanging karaptong na buhay ngayon at kailanman.
But now I found the one. Heaven will only know what only my eyes can see, and time can't take you away.
Kayo ngayon naririto, pinaabot kayo hanggang 35 taon at hahaba pa yan. Dahil sa iyong pag-ibig kay Nay Remedios, nanatili kayong matatag, nananatili kayong nagmamahalan, nananatiling tapat.
They say that I will take you
forever. There will never be anyone else in my heart but you.
and I will take you forever.
There will never be anyone else but you.
Anyone else but you.
Henry, sa harap ng Diyos at ng kanyang sambayanan, sinasariwa ko ang aking pasya noong tinitipang kita na aking maging asawa. Sa hirap at ginhawa, sa dusa at ligaya, ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin at itatanging karugtong ng buhay ngayon at kailanman.
Anyone else but you. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Take you forever.
There will never be anyone else in my heart but you.
My heart but
I'll take you forever.
There will never be anyone else but you.
Anyone else, anyone else. Take you forever. There will never be anyone else in my heart but you.
Remedios, kailanman hindi kita pagkatakilan. Isuot mo at pagkaingatan mo ang singsinga ito. Yan ang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.
Henry, kailanman hindi kita pagtataksilan. Suot mo ito at pagkaingatan ng singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak, ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Who will be the one you come to whenever it's dark and cold outside? Where will you go when you need
Yalig sa pamaya.
place to hide? Then I would sail a boat across the sea. I would fly a plane to wherever you may be. I think you should know.
Maraming salamat sa inyo at nakarating kayo. Sa lahat ng mga kababaryo namin, lahat na. Salamat ng marami sa inyo at naging bahagi kayo na aming okasyon. Maraming salamat.
Before you leave, there's one thing that you must believe, darling. Anywhere you run to, I will be right behind you. And you know I'll find you. Anywhere you run to, I will be right behind you. 'Cause you're my sweet mind. Darling, anywhere you run to, I will be right behind you. And you know I'll find you. Anywhere you run to, I will be right behind you. 'Cause you're my sweet mind. Anywhere you run to, I will be right behind you.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Makarap na yung konti. Ahalik. Abay, renewal din yan. Muli po, palampakan natin ang dalawa.